What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today's video, we're just going to be plugging some holes on the Blood Slug. But before we can get to that, let's roll that intro. So for those of you that have followed my previous video, I recently did a turn signal delete on my 2020 Harley Davidson Lowrider S, and in doing so, it leaves some pretty ugly holes on the back of the bike. So with the help of the internet and help of a friend, Ride and Dad, go ahead and check out his videos. I found this company, Harley Customs. All their products are made in the US, so that's cool. And they don't just do stuff for motorcycles. It looks like they do stuff for vehicles as well. These were they were $25, but the other neat thing that I don't know if it was a fluke or not, but it came with 3 of the block-off plates. But enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and put these up. Yeah, look at that, Crocs and socks, baby. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the cover on now. Boom. Alright, thanks for watching today's install, guys. I really like the way it cleans the look up on the back of the bike, and the products are quality made, so if you did the same to your bike, I suggest you go check them out. See you on the next one, y'all.